Hello, myself, Ramakrishna. This is next. So here one person told that if condition equal to 1,000 cities, so from 1,000 cities basically the power supply is coming. That data basically who has designed? Zoology department. The zoology department has told basically, so it's very dangerous role of zoology department. So they told that basically wild condition is coming from that land basically. And that land basically is assumed that it is processing some oil data basically. Then for loop basically is coming from that condition basically. From that land basically. That is processing some vegetables, fruits, natural items basically, seeds basically. So here one person told that there might be some combination basically which might be used by the who basically by the zoology department. So they have used this database. So they know that basically wild condition is created by how many cities. Means if the city will not pass the power supply to computer or basically to the server, the while loop will not work basically. So you can just imagine basically how the things basically are connected basically. So one person told that yes, yeah, basically this is basically something incredible basically. So one person told that yes, that is something in